Hi everyone, good morning. Today I just wanted to film my whole day and kind of show you how productive you can be. I want to share some tips with you, tips and tricks on how to manage your day, organize your day, and just be more productive overall. But the first thing that I wanted to show you is my list. So here, as you can see, the time helps me keep everything organized throughout the day. It makes me feel more productive, and at the end of the day, I just cross each of the things after I complete it. I'm just going to go down, get some breakfast. I'm just going to make a quick smoothie. I'm going out the door to Greenwald Thrift to help out model for their Instagram story sales today, and I'm just super excited for that. Let's get some milk, frozen fruit, spinach. I'm just putting one banana in my smoothie. Add some frozen fruits and then add some more frozen fruits because I love fruits. Some spinach. I'm gonna put that much. Some cashew milk. A couple of main ingredients that I forgot to show you is just some chia seeds. I'm gonna put some. Oh my God. Jesus, okay. I don't know, I just put how much ever I want, to be honest with you. Hemp seeds as well. Okay, while I'm washing the jar, I just wanted to share with you some productive tips and tricks. Always write your list the night before, because on the day of, when you're just starting out your day, it just gets a little unorganized, a little messy. Always follow the schedule that's on your list, because if you don't, you can get sidetracked and that will lead to an unproductive day, or at least a less productive day. Try to complete your task by the time that you've set for yourself on your list. Those are the main advice that I'd give you if you want to have a more productive day. This is me trying to overcompensate for the lack of veggies and greens I ate over the fall semester when I had school. This is such a healthy option if you are on the go, if you're always running late, and if you don't enjoy having big breakfast. Let's see how this tastes. It's not the worst smoothie I've ever had, but it's also not the best smoothie I've ever had. It's drinkable, I can say that. With the amount of spinach I put into it, it's worth it. Your body getting the greens, the nutrients, it's worth the lack of good taste. It's 10:05. I am 5 minutes late and I'll be there in 10 minutes, so it's going to be around 10:15 when I get there. We are here, finally. Let me just park. We are here. I just got done trying on clothes and posting them on Greenwald Thrifts Instagram. We ended up doing that for 3 hours, and right now I'm super tired. It's 2 p.m. and I need to go home and eat something. Look at these earrings, aren't they cute? Yeah. It's 2:30 currently, and I'm just looking at my list to see which of the tasks I've completed. We're at 2:30 right now, so everything else above I've completed. Towards the beginning of the video, I told you how effective making a list is, and specifically also incorporating the timeline. It gives you that opportunity to look back and see where exactly you currently are. It is 5 p.m. currently. I took my time to eat lunch or late lunch after I had a meeting with my internship advisor. I just wanted to ask her some questions about internship opportunities and see if there are any possible internships available at sustainable fashion companies like Cotopaxi, Patagonia. And I learned a lot from her, so I'm grateful. But at the same time, she grilled me and was asking me all these questions and letting me know that I still had a lot of work to do. I still have to research more. To be honest with you, at first, I was kind of getting defensive. I was like, I have all of these experience. I'm majoring in marketing, I'm majoring in entrepreneurship. Might as well minor in sustainability as well. I have Depop, I have all these things going on. Why wouldn't these sustainable companies hire me as their intern? An internship, isn't it supposed to be about learning? Isn't it supposed to allow you to gain more skills or to improve your skills that you already have? Yeah, my internship advisor, she definitely grounded me, and she made me realize that the fashion industry as a whole is a very competitive industry, and I need to do way more than what I'm doing currently. It's 5:03 right now, so from 4 to 5 I had a meeting with my internship advisor. Now it says 5 to 6 workout. I'm going to do the research for internships right now. So let me just update you on some of the things that I've been working on for the past hour or so. I applied for 2 internships, Levi's, one for merchandising position and the other one for marketing. I want to organize my internships with internships I've already applied for and the internships that I will be potentially applying for. So I am on this website called Simply Hired. I would also recommend Job Indeed, Handshake, even LinkedIn. So it looks like we're going to the gym. It is about 10 p.m. I believe. I was there with my sister for about more than 40 minutes. It was about for an hour. I did 40 minutes cardio, and then for 15 minutes I ended up doing leg raises. I'll be heading to bed at 11 p.m. I was able to do everything on my list except for read. Super happy with how my day turned out, how productive it was. I was able to share my tips and tricks on how to be more productive, and I hope you learned something new today. So with that being said, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much again. I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.